Slack tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Slack and how you can use this absolutely amazing application for yourself to, do your actual workspace editing in, to manage your products, manage your tasks, and keep your team up and running. So this is Slack basically, okay? So in Slack, you're going to make a workspace. So as you can see, I'm in this workspace right now. Now in this workspace, we have channels, okay? You create channels for yourself and you can create more channels by clicking on create a channel and add any type of channel you want to, and if you want any assistance you can do that as well. But as you can see, I have all these channels, so links, team chat, you have work and all these things. So let's say in team chat I want to, I'm gonna write something like hi guys, and then you can actually do an at and message everyone. So it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple, and it's really nice to get a basic idea of how you're going to work with Slack. So just create channels, and in those channels you're going to start working. Now if you want to invite people to your workspace, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go to your workspace over here. Now whoever has control of the workspace, what you can do is you can start adding people into a certain chat. So you're going to click on add coworkers, enter their name or email, and just send them an invite, and that should be it. So that's basically the idea of Slack. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.